Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on a less than 500 rating, which is Mana Points. Okay, so the chef is playing a mobile game in a mobile game. Okay, in a game, Chef Ario can perform special attack. However, one special attack cost X mana points to the Shifario. Okay, so if Shifario currently has a Y mana points, determine the maximum number of a special attack that he can perform. So here is given a number of a special point, and you just have to check whether he would be able to whether he would be able to whether he would be able to how many attacks that she can buy. Okay, so there is a 30, and you just have to check whether how many points that she can buy. Okay, so first you have to do there is given a X that attack point. Okay, and the total he has money, which is Y. Okay, so let's suppose there is given example here 10 and 30. So how many attacks that she can buy, which is 3. In the same way, there is given a 6 and 41. After dividing 41 by 6, it will 6. So she can buy 6 ml. In the same way, there is 50 and 2. The 2 is not divisible by 50, so there is 0 attack that she can buy. Okay, so you just have to do write the C2 code here. If you have to check if X is greater than Y, then you just have to do cout 0. Okay, else if Y is else you just have to do Y is greater than X, then you just have to do cout Y minus X. This is the simplest question, I guess. You can do it by your own. First you have to take the entity cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x comma y, and then cn x cn y. Okay, you have to take input, and then you have to check the condition. If x is greater than y, then you just have to do cout 0. Else you just have to do cout y by x. So let's run this code. I hope this code works fine. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.